you know, you just wanna, it's the whoa, whoa. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Greg the Dancer, and today I'm finna teach y'all how to whoa. So look, I'm gonna teach you real quick. Smash that like button. It's an easy 3 steps. Step 1 has 2 pieces to it, so it's like step 1 and 2, but it's 2 pieces. Some people say it's a freeze, it's a lock, it's a tick, it's a snap. I'm finna explain it to you. It's a freeze and it's also a snap. So like, you know, when you whoa, they always in freeze, they whoa and freeze, right? Whoa, that's the freezing part. But before they freeze, right here, it's a snap. So they don't just go like this and freeze, they snap and freeze. They whoa, whoa, whoa. So imagine this. Pretend you got one of those punching bag things and you know, you hit it, it goes here and it comes back. So as soon as you hit it, it's gonna snap back. Snap back. But just catch yourself. You gotta stop yourself. You gotta stop yourself. But like when you're doing the whoa, like if you're moving your head, you snap it, then freeze. So it'd be like, throw it up, So like, before you do it, before you freeze, you emphasize the motion. So like, if your neck going like this, you, and you can practice the whoa, just stop. Simon says, stop. Simon says, stop. That's how you do it. You gotta stop yourself. So, Simon says, stop. Simon says, stop. Simon says, stop. Simon says, stop. Stop. You do the head. How you see people go like this. They don't just stop. That's not how you do it. You gotta snap and stop. You gotta slow motion. Snap and stop. So it's not just this. You, that's how you hit it. Once you do that, you already know how to whoa. But step 3, you just want to add your hands into it. So like, you know what I'm saying? You want to be freestyling, and then you just, you riding the rodeo, you grab a girl you see, and you, something like that. And then once you do it, you just freestyle. Everybody do like this, or whatever, or you could, whatever you want to do. But look, I'm gonna teach you this little move that everybody like to do before they hit it. This is how you do it. So the first step, you want to go left, right, left, right. When you go to the left, turn your back that way to it. So you're gonna go left, right, swing your arms a little bit. Now when you do it, you want to emphasize it. So when you go to the left, curve to the left, curve to the right. And that's how you hit the whoa. Watch this video. I'm gonna do a quick little freestyle. Smash that like button, subscribe. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm like, whoa. Hey! You still recording me?
Yeah.
I thought you stopped it.